Hey LUS fams, Sahar here. I'm the founder of LUS Brands and I'm back today with an exciting announcement. We have just added a new baby to our Love Your Curls lineup. This is the LUS Elixir Oil and I'm going to tell you why I'm extra excited about this one. This is the first product that has been co-created by the entire LUS team. You know all the amazing people you talk to on Facebook and Instagram and emails every day? Yeah, those girls had input in this product. When it was time to create this product, I reached out to my team and I said, hey, which oils have you used in your hair, on your skin? What do you love? What do you hate? And then I collected all of their feedback and I went back to my team of incredible chemists and we formulated, as we do with all of our other products, and reformulated and tested until we came up with what I like to call a magical elixir oil. And today I'm going to talk about everything, like what's in the product, what's not in the product, how do you use the product. So let's start with what isn't in the product. If you're familiar with the LUS products, you know we try to our best to create a free of line. What does that mean? Our products are not 100% natural. I personally believe very few products on the market are 100% natural, even the ones that are marketed as such. So we never ever market our products as natural, but we try to eliminate all of the worst chemicals and synthetics from our line as possible. So things like DEA, mineral oil, phthalates, propylene glycol, silicones, sulfates, you name it. Our product, same thing, free of all that other bad stuff, except this one is actually free of fragrance as well. Why? Well, we heard your feedback. I personally love the scent of our product. I picked it out. And I know most of you love the scent of the product, but there were so many people asking for a fragrance-free product. So this product here has no fragrance added, and with a pure oil, as most of you know, oils have a very strong scent. Natural oils have a strong scent. So we had to pick oils that were not only effective, but were relatively scent-free or neutral in scent, and we did that. So no fragrance with this product whatsoever. What else? No mineral oil. It is a combination of 7 high-quality premium oils and vitamin E. That's it. No synthetic fragrance, preservatives, all these things that I've mentioned, but really, let's talk about what is in this product. Avocado oil, jojoba oil, moringa oil, grapeseed oil, rosemary oil, gooseberry oil, and black cumin seed oil. Now, you might be wondering, what are all these different oils? Some of them you've heard of, like jojoba oil, moringa oil, avocado oil. They are beautiful oils that have moisturizing and conditioning properties. We've used them in our other products like our deep condition and repair. And then I added in some other special products that I found, like the gooseberry oil and the black cumin seed oil. Now, if you look up the benefits of all of these different ingredients online, you'll see that this product could be touted as a miracle product, and we don't like to do that. We don't like to oversell our products and, under deliver. We like to do it the other way around. So I will tell you that my criteria for creating this product was to create a product that was simple, as with anything else in our line, something that could be used on your hair, on your skin, and on your nails, so that we don't put out multiple products unnecessarily. Just keep it simple. Keep it to like one product. Now, these oils, another criteria was that it had to be non-greasy, because I personally, as a curly girl, don't use a lot of oil in my hair care routine. I just find oil to be really greasy. It usually smells. So for me to create an oil, it had to be, again, scent-free and non-greasy. And if you can see, I'm going to show you guys. Let's talk about the packaging real quick before I show you. It comes in a glass bottle, 100 milliliters, so it is travel friendly, and it has this gorgeous glass dropper for precision application each time. Because you're going to be applying it maybe to your face or just to the tip of your hair, depending on your hair type, you don't want to be overdosing your hair with oil. So as you can see, and less is more, so just a few drops does the trick. And this product will actually absorb into your skin. I think for everyone on my team, the first time they tried it, what amazed them with it is that it was just non-greasy and absorbed into the skin literally within seconds, leaving a soft but non-greasy finish. So now when you apply this to your hair, what it can do is it moisturizes and conditions, particularly on the scalp. So if you apply it just to the tip of your fingers and use your fingers to massage your scalp, it will help nourish your scalp and moisturize it and improve circulation. So it can actually help promote hair growth. For those people who have thinning patterns or balding patterns, if you do that on a regular basis with continued use, you can actually start to see just an aid in helping to grow your hair. So scalp massages are really important for curly girls. Our scalps barely get any love, so make sure you use the oil and give your scalp some love. You can use it as a finishing product, so after you apply your all-in-one, the styling product, you can add it to minimize the frizz and to lock in that moisture. So our all-in-ones have incredible moisturizing ingredients. This will add a bit more moisture for those of you who have extra dry or damaged hair, and then it will help seal in the moisture from the styling products. Or you can apply it just to the ends of your hair. So if you have split ends or damaged ends and you just apply it to the ends of your hair, it will help minimize the breakage, minimize split ends, and just seal in that extra moisture that you need on the ends of your hair. Now let's talk about skincare, because this product has anti-aging properties. Some of the ingredients that we've added, like the black cumin seed oil and the gooseberry oil, they've been put up against some of the strongest anti-aging products on the market that are full of synthetics and chemicals, and they are 100% natural, and they've been found in many research studies to be just as effective or more effective. What else? Nails. If you've watched my other videos, I've had these long, beautiful nails, and of course they weren't mine. They were shellac and biogel, and I've recently taken them off, and I've been applying them to my cuticles at nighttime and just trying to grow my own natural nails out. I mean, it's really hard for me to have brittle nails, and I've been applying them, and so far so good. You know, it's starting a love affair with my natural nails journey now, so great for use on cuticles and nails. What else? There are tons of benefits, tons of ways to use this product, so make sure you stay tuned to our website, on our blog pages, our social media channels, because the team and I are going to be putting out a lot of videos and blogs and content for you guys to learn the best use of this product. I just hope you guys love it as much as my team and I do, and yeah, I'll be looking out for your feedback on this. So the LUS Elixir Oil, now part of the LUS lineup. That's it, guys. Love you. Bye.